Hello, today I'll be opening another 6-pack of Toy Story 4 Ooshies XL. These are currently on sale at Woolworths, 2 for $22. They usually go for $15 each. First we have Jessie version 2, which is a common. Next we have Woody version 2, which is also a common. Next we have Dolly, which is also a common. Next we have Alien 1, which is a rare. He was also in the previous Pixar collection. Now we have Glow in the Dark Bo Peep, who was a rare. Finally, for the brown bag, we have Glow in the Dark Buzz Lightyear, who was a common. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more Toy Story unboxings.